This wall is called Stonewall. It is made in the 15th century.
Spent too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across.
It originally had 40 towers, but now it only has 20 left.
Wishful thinking gets the best of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't.
When this wall was built, it was only 7 kilometers long. Now, it is 5.5 kilometers.
You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more advice.
It surrounded the city of Ston and protected it from any dangers coming its way.
I'm all in with my mind.
This wall is the largest defense wall in Europe.
Supposed to go if we never say goodbye. Reading through our convo, trying to find where
At the end of our hike, we stumbled by this pomegranate tree. We wondered how good the pomegranates were, so we tried to pick one up.
hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine.
I'm on a move, can't stop me if you try. Coasting on now, baby.
How are they? Can you describe it?
It has like ropes, and there's a thermometer on there, and they just allow to give rest to more muscles.
They're now attached onto you.
Okay, hi Max.
Hi.
Do you know where we are?
In this oyster mussel place.
Near Dubrovnik, Croatia. Yeah, so there's a bunch of oyster catching boats, and we're gonna buy some oysters today and mussels.
The future holds. All I know is mama told me I should always shoot for gold, yeah. And every time I'm worried I'll start losing hope. I'll take one step at a time and find my way back to the road, yeah. And I've been on this journey now for way too long to turn around. The sun is out, so I'll be on the move.
So when we got the oysters here, right there in that bag, we gave the guy the money, but then he didn't really take it, so he said that we can take it for free, right Mommy?
Yes. I feel bad, but I tried to insist. He's such a nice guy.
Okay.
Let's explain how oysters grow here. So, for the first 2 years of their life, they put them in these trays. And for the next 1 year, they put them like this on concrete here, back to back, for 1 year. And then they put them way out there in the water.
Right, on those little buoys, right?
Yeah, stuck to the concrete. And then they collect the babies and put them back in the tray.
Yeah, and then, so they put them in the concrete, the buoys over there, and then afterwards, after 1 year of doing that, they sell them, right?
Yeah.
And then the cycle continues.
Yeah.
Okay.
On this journey now for way too long to turn around. The sun is out.
Another 4 years or older oysters. And oh, there's a little catfish. I saw a catfish.
It's only up from here till the moment I die. I'm on the move, can't stop me if you try. Coasting
In 1979, Dubrovnik became a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 17th century. It was called Ragusa back then.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my walking in the
Here, when we went to Dubrovnik, due to COVID-19, there were not many people around, so we almost had the whole city for ourselves.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not real.
Game of Thrones, Robin Hood, James Bond, and The Last Jedi in Star Wars was filmed here in Dubrovnik.
Flying Dad! Flying Kids!
Sup?
Dubrovnik is surrounded by 2 kilometers of an ancient wall.